Hey guys, it's me. Hey. So I apologize for not having my authenticity card, but I swear it on my life, on my family's lives, that it's a legit figure and that I bought it from you guys. And anyways, I'll show you the number on the base if you would just give me a second. I have to drop the phone. I'll try to put it like that at least so that you see that it's one continuous video. Okay. All right. You see, that's my number. It's mine. It's the real thing. And you see, look, battery cover is not on. So you got proof right there that it's my figure. So I don't understand the $15 US shipping I need to pay, and I'll explain why. Regardless of your 30-day warranty, the defect is inside here. It's not there. You know why? Because I already fixed it myself, and I'm gonna send you more videos to show you. So instead of having to pay for a replacement base, I fixed it myself because your solution, it was really not what I expected, to be honest. So since I prevented you guys from getting rid of another base and sending one to me, I hope you guys are kind enough and understanding enough to know that it's not all people that are like me. It's not everybody that's like me that can repair figures like that. Me, it's because it's my job. I repair super huge machines with super complex electric panel. This is nothing for me. But when you have a guy like me that repairs his own figure, it prevents you guys from sending me a replacement. It prevents me from having to pay for shipping fees when it's clearly a defect from you guys right off the box that I did not see because the battery was inside. And there was no paper in the box telling me to test it a certain way to make sure it works well. That's another thing. You cannot expect everybody to know that it will work without battery and just the cable. So guys, I'm sorry, but that $15 shipping, that your $15 US shipping you're asking me to pay to get a replacement base, honestly, it doesn't work. Even if you have a warranty, it doesn't work because the problem was in the middle of the base inside. And stay tuned, I will post the rest of my videos, okay? Ciao, guys.